My name is Janjan Longat. My poem is my first inspiration. Jose Rizal, the Philippine national hero, was not only a political figure but also a talented poet. One of his most famous works on the poem, Sa Aking Mga Kabata, which he wrote at a young age. In the poem, Rizal encouraged the youth of value their language and culture, emphasizing the importance of love for country and national pride. The poem also highlights Rizal's belief in the power of education and the role of the youth in shaping a future in the nation. Expresses his hope for the young generation to be aware of their responsibilities to their country and to be ideal of freedom and progression. Jose Rizal inspired me with his deep love for the Philippines and his advocacy for education, equality, and justice. His writing like No Limit Tangere and El Filibusterismo sparked national awareness and unity against oppression. Rizal's intellectual courage and selfless dedication to his country continue motivate me. Jose Rizal, the national hero of the Philippines, is a timeless source of inspiration for his intellect, courage, and dedication to his country. His life demonstrates the power of education as he used his knowledge and skill to advocate for reform and justice. Through works like No Limit Tangere and El Filibusterismo, he exposed societal injustices and inspired Filipino to fight for independence. Despite persecution, Rizal maintained his principles, showing resilience and sacrifice for the greater good. His unwavering love for his country and vision for a better future inspired us the strive of excellence, uphold truth, and serve others selflessly.